Hello kids, welcome to our channel Doodle for Kids. Today we are going to draw a beautiful girl dress. Step by step, first we draw a heart, then we draw dress sleeves. Now we draw the dress frock. Like my video. Wow, we complete our dress. Now we learn some colors name. This is red color. Which color kids? Red color. This is orange color. Which color kids? Orange color. This is yellow color. Which color kids? Yellow color. Wow, yellow color is so pretty. This is blue color. Which color kids? Blue color. This is parrot green color. Which color kids? Parrot green color. This is purple color. Which color kids? Purple color. Purple. Purple. This is yellow color. Which color kids? Yellow color. Now we color the heart red color. Now we color the dress sleeves. We color the dress sleeves with multicolor. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Subscribe our channel for latest videos and like my video. Bye kids.